You need to hear this if you're into crypto. One man's fall from grace has sent shockwaves through the industry. Alex Mashinsky, the founder and ex-CEO of Celsius Network, has been sentenced to 12 years in federal prison. This is one of the lengthiest sentences connected to the 2022 crypto market meltdown. Once celebrated as a visionary, Mashinsky promised sky-high returns through Celsius Network, managing over $25 billion in assets at its peak. But in July 2022, everything crumbled. Celsius froze withdrawals, declared bankruptcy, and revealed a $1.2 billion deficit. Federal prosecutors charged Mashinsky with fraud, accusing him of deceiving investors and manipulating the price of Celsius's token, CL, for personal gain. In December 2024, he pleaded guilty. Victims shared heart-wrenching stories of losing life savings, their financial dreams shattered. The emotional toll was devastating. U.S. District Judge John Coltle delivered a stern message with Mashinsky's 12-year sentence, stressing the need for accountability in the crypto world. Mashinsky was also ordered to forfeit $48 million. This saga is a harsh reminder of the risks lurking in unregulated crypto markets. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and remember, transparency and accountability are crucial. Don't miss out on more updates. Subscribe for the latest in cryptocurrency news and financial regulations.